Okay, so we're out the Tractor Slayer Pro here, and I'm having trouble with people coming along, the general public. Yep, they can see you riding the car around, so they walk straight across the front of it. Great stuff, with a dog. Next thing you know, they're going to be asking for a go. Thanks. Yep, that's right, just stand there. That's right, just wander along right in front of us, so I can't do anything. Hey? I can't use it while you're standing there because I'm going up and down really fast. If I hit one of you, that's that. If you want to stand up on here, that'd be alright. I just don't want to hit you, that's all. Okay, that's the general public sorted out. Good God, eh? Good little way. Just don't like the general public coming around you, you know, especially when you're flying one of these around, because if you hit someone or hit the dog, it's not going to be fitting. So there you are, that's the general public for you. Absolutely want to keep away from them. I'm surprised they didn't ask actually to have a go, but they usually do. I suppose they've got nothing else to do in this time of year. Ha ha ha.